How to pause your Shopify store for maintenance step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you want to pause your Shopify store, there are two ways that you can go about on this. The first is to make it password protected, and the second is to downgrade your Shopify plan and pause your store. So, first off, we're going to show you guys how you can pause it for maintenance, and that is the password protection method. For this, all you have to do is head on over to Shopify, click on Online Store on your left panel, and then click on Preferences. Once you click on Preferences on the left, you're going to scroll to the bottom, and you will have this option over here called Password Protection. From here, you're going to restrict access to visitors with the password, and you can put in any password you want. And then you can put in a message to your visitors. So you can just say, hey, we're down for maintenance. We'll be back shortly, like this. And then you're just going to click on save on the top right. And now let's just take, this is my store currently, and if I refresh it, and you guys will see, it's now going to say, hey, we're down for maintenance, we'll be back shortly. So this is one way that you can pause your store. The other way that you can pause your store is to go into settings on the left panel. Once you go into settings, you want to go into plan over here and then click on deactivate store. And then you can click on switch to pause and build, where you can keep building your business and you will have a lower price on Shopify. So it will remain a store, however, it won't have checkout, but you're only going to be charged $9 per month. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.